uh, so we are continuing our algebraic expressions chapter. So small definitions I reminded you, which you studied in the lower classes, and after that we are solving the problems on multiplying one monomial with the other monomial, multiplying two monomials or more than two monomials. How to multiply? Multiplication is very simple. So whenever bases are variables, when the variables are same, that means base is same. So in multiplication we are adding the powers. If bases are not same, we are writing as it is. So such problems we are doing, and so we started exercise 11.1, and in that so we completed 4, and remaining also simple. You may be completed it, but once again I will solve. So exercise 11.1, page number 254. 254 page number, exercise 11.1. So already you may be completed this fifth one, but once again I will do fifth one. A is equal to xy, B is equal to yz, C is equal to zx. Find ABC. ABC. Students, if there is ABC means what? ABC means if there is no in between the variables, when two variables are there, two unknown values are there, so in between if there is no symbol, it is multiplication only. So ABC means what? A into B into C. That is the meaning. ABC means A into B into C. Understood? ABC. XY means X into Y. Y into Z. Z into X. We have to consider into. That is multiplication. So ABC means A into B into C. A is XY, B is YZ, C is ZX. A into B into C. AXY into YZ into ZX. A into B into C. Now, X into X I will write here. Y in direct also we can write Y into Y, but I am writing some extra steps. Z into Z. Same base, same variables I am writing in one bracket. X I will write together. Y together. Z together. X into X square. Y into Y square. Z into Z square. Over. Do the sixth one. Write down the sixth question, students. Langar House branch. Good. See, we are going very slow. Each and every problem we are solving because some students are joining in the middle because of net connection. They are missing the link. Some again they are joining, so they are not able to copy. Such issues are there online. So therefore, don't feel that we are going very slow. And even some students are saying that time is not enough to write the copy the problem. So situations are there. Different areas there may be different problems. So let me go very slow only, no problem. So don't feel bored. Sixth, P is equal to 4x square. T is equal to 5x. Copy the problem from the textbook. Copy the problem from the textbook. Sixth question, all of you write down. We have to find PTR by 100. This we have to find. PTR by 100. PTR means P into T into R. P into T into R. What is P value? 4x square into. We can write into or we can write brackets. Into multiplication. See. XY we can write like this. We can write x into y, or we can write like this in separate brackets. All are equal. I will write in brackets. Next anyway I will open the buckets. See, P 4x square, T 5x, R 5y. 100 is 100 only. 4 into 5 into 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 5, 100. 4 5 is a 20, 25 is a 100. And let us write direct. Or you write one more step. 4 into 5 into 5. Don't confuse with the into and x because look like similar. 4 into 5 into 5. This is 1. Next x square into x. X square, same variable, same variables. Same variable, xx, same variable, no I write. Next y is only 1. Y as it is you write. Y is only 1. X square, x I write together in a bracket. 4 5 is a 20, 25 is a 100 into, bases are same in multiplication, powers are added. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. This is 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3 into y. 100 cancel. Answer is x cube y. That's all. Completed. Write down the seventh question. Seventh question. Write some monomials of your own and find their products. Just for practice actually. It is like a project work. Write some monomials and find their product. Already we are doing the same. See, since we in this exercise we did so many multiplications of monomials. So here also write some monomials. Any few monomials you write. Any number of monomials. Let some monomials be any few monomials you take and multiply them. That's all. As you wish. Any, say here. X square y, 5xy cube, 2x square y square, 7xy, like this. Let us take these four monomials. Product. Multiply multiply them, that's all, just for practice. First one is x square y, second one is 5xy cube, third one is 2x square y square, fourth one is 7xy. Multiply 4. First into, second into, third into 4. I took 4 monomials. I am multiplying them. Any 4 monomials, multiply them. Monomial means single term. This is one term. If it is plus means second term starts. This is only one term. This is one term. One term. So coefficients 5 into 2 into 7. 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 Next. X square into x square into x. X square into x square into x. All x in one bracket. You can directly write the answer also. No need actually writing all these steps. Y cube, y square, y. This is nothing, one I am not writing. So 5 into 2 into 7 here. X square, x square, x here. Y cube, y square, y. 5 2s are 10, 10 into 7, 70. 5 2s are 10, 10 7s are 70. X power of bases are same, x bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. So add the powers. Do the simplification. X power 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Bases are same, in multiplication powers are added formula. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. And directly also you know x square into x cube into x square, x power 5. Y powers. Add the powers. 1, 3, 2, 1. Y power 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 70 x power 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, y power 1 plus 3 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. That's all. Exercise is over, students. Let us go for the next exercise, and before that just what are there in the second exercise. So what type of problems we are going to get in the second exercise and how to solve. Just a hint. Actually directly also we can start because it is a continuation only. So no new concept, but just I will give some introduction for the second exercise. Complete it. Write down this side heading. Multiplying the monomial with binomial, comma trinomial or multinomial. Now we are going to, in all this first exercise, we multiplied only monomial with monomial. One term only. One term. So one term problems we multiplied. Now we are going to multiply the monomial with binomial and monomial with maybe trinomial or monomial with multinomial, any number of terms. See here. See, this is A. This is monomial, one term. We are multiplying it with binomial. Say binomial means two terms. So plus or minus, then it is a second term. B plus C, this is a binomial, two terms. This is having two terms. This is one term. So bracket means multiplication. What is this relation? This is one algebraic expression. This is another algebraic expression. So how to multiply? You know how to multiply. See, we have distributive property. So how to multiply these two? So whenever any factor is outside the bracket, we have to multiply it with all the terms inside the bracket. A into B plus A into C. Like that, you know. This is not a new concept actually. A into B plus A into C. Suppose if it is minus, you will get minus. A into B minus A into C. A into B minus A into C. Suppose three terms, same is applicable. This is the distributive property. Distributive property you studied in the lower classes and in first chapter also we studied about this distributive property. See here how to multiply. This is the multiplication for all. A into B, A into C, A into D. Like that. A into B, A into C, A into D. Suppose if this is this side, same meaning. B minus C minus D into A. Even if it is this side or that side, both are same. A is this side or this side, both are same. Now, A into B. A into B is AB or BA. Anyway you can write. A into B, that is B into A, BA. Minus is there. B into A. C into A. Minus D into A. B into A minus C into A minus D into A. Like this, if monomial multiplied with binomial, monomial multiplied with binomial, monomial multiplied with a trinomial, monomial multiplied with the trinomial, extended to any number of terms. Simple concept. So you can just write down this and start the exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. Vemlavada branch. Eleven point two. It is also completely product only. Already in the first exercise we did lot of lot many problems in multiplying one term with the other. So here also say see the complete the following table. First question. Phi p plus q plus r, multiply these two. First expression, second expression, and multiply them. Product, simple. Multiply them. Multiply these two. P plus q minus 2r. Phi p into p plus q minus 2r. Students, do it. Multiply these two. Product means multiplication. Multiplication of these two. So phi p into, bracket means into only. Phi p into p plus q minus 2r. Multiply. Phi p into p plus q minus 2r. I will write direct step. Phi p into p square. Phi p into p square. Distributive property. Multiply phi p with all this and this and this. All you multiply. Phi p into p square. Phi p into q pq. P into q is p into q only. We can't further simplify. P into p we can write p square. P into q only. Plus into minus, plus into minus, 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 2, 10, plus into minus, 5 2 is a 10, P into R, PR. That's all. Second one. Do the second one. KL plus LM plus MN into 3K. Multiply. KL plus LM plus MN into 3K. Multiply these two. So this is KL plus LM plus MN into 3K. Multiplication. Write the direct step. Write down that. Simple. See here. If there is nothing, 1 into 3, 3. K into K square. K into K square, L. 1 into 3, 3. L, M, K. Any order you can write. You can write K into L into M or M in. L into M into K or K into L into M or M into K into L. Any order it is same only. 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 2 is 6. So you can write K first, L next, any order, same. Next is 3. 1 into 3, 3. M into N into K. M into N into K. M, N, K. That's all. Only K into K became K square. L into K only M as it is. LM into K, LMK. MN into K, MNK. That's all. AB square just for practice. Do it. The question is multiply. AB square is multiplied with A plus B square plus CQ. Multiplication. AB square multiplied with A plus B square plus C cube. Multiply them. Very simple. I am writing the direct step. A into A. A into A square and B square is same. A into A square, B square is same. A into A square, B square is same. A, B square into B square, 2 plus 2, 4, B power 4. B square into B square, bases are same in multiplication, powers are added, 2 plus 2, 4. A, B square into C cube, same, we can't simplify because the bases are not same. A, this is not A, this is B, this is not B, so we can't simplify it. But here we are simplifying. A bases are same. A into A is A square. I wrote B square as it is. So here A, B square into B square is same base. No, we can add the powers. 2 plus 2, 4. B square into B square is B power 4. But B square into C cube is B square into C cube only. That's all.